All right, we're gonna do a quick startup procedure here on the Mini. The kill switch has a little immobilizer fob under the dash here. There's a port that you put it in. Once you get a solid red light, you're good to go. Go ahead and insert the kill switch. To get power to both motors, you flip those two switches there. When the green is on, that means that you're neutral. So if I go into first gear, it's gonna turn off. So do a nice little click back. Let's go ahead and turn on first motor. And you can see the, this is a cold start. You can see the revs there indicating the first engine's on. There you go, now you got both engines on. On this side you have a blower that blows air into the cab. Got a fuel gauge there. And then to turn it off, you just do the reverse order, flip those two switches, and you're good to go.